welcome to Crafty Tae. Today we're going to be making Barbie clothes out of balloons, and this is what I made. I'll make this, and let's get started. Look at Stacy, Olivia. Oh, hey guys. Her outfit looks so cute. Thank you. Love your hair. Thank you. Come up to the party. Okay, I'll come upstairs. We're just cooking some more food. Yeah, we're just having a girl party. I love your hair. Did you get it dyed? Where did you get it dyed at? I just got it from the hair salon. I know, because your hair used to be a really like light brown. It was really cute. Yeah, it was. Well, where did you get your dress at? I got it from the mall. Oh, that's really cute. Well, I'm going to go back and cook. Okay. Who else is coming? Chelsea. Do you remember Chelsea? Remember we had that party at the pool? Yes. Yeah, she'll be coming. I think she's almost here. I hear her car. hey.
Oh, I love your outfit. That is so
Thank
cute.
you.
That's so cute. I wish I had that outfit. Did you like tie-dye it or something?
No.
Here, come upstairs. We're having our party like I told you.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Olivia. Chelsea's here. Oh, hey, Chelsea. Oh, hey, Chelsea.
Oh, hey.
I love your outfit. I was just over there cooking some more food and everything.
Oh, what you cooking?
Well, I'm cooking some hot dogs and hamburgers on the grill outside. But, yeah, they're almost done. But I'm also cooking over here some corn on the cob in the big pot. And I'm cooking some noodles and some mashed potatoes.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah, it's gotta be so good.
Bet it is.
Oh, girl, I know you're in fashion design school. Did you make that?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, what did you make it out of?
A balloon?
Oh, I wonder if you can make me one. Can you make me one?
Maybe.
Okay, it don't matter when you can make me one or not. I just really love your skirt. It looked like you tie-dyed it or something.
Well, the balloon was already colored, so...
You didn't really need to color it. Well, I wish I can learn how to make it.
Well, you can come to Crafty Tae's. I'm going to start opening the shop.
Oh, so you're gonna make like all the clothes and stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Are you even gonna make a balloon one?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you're really opening the shop? I'm going to be the first one because I love dressing up.
I'm gonna be so excited because this balloon outfit is looking so fabulous. Okay, well, we're all gonna be the first one because we love your outfits, and I didn't know you were doing a fashion design school. You didn't tell me that. Well, that's okay. I still love your outfit. Beep, beep, beep. Oh guys, the food's ready.
Oh yes, I'm so hungry.
Totally. Oh, yeah, let me just go check on it. Okay guys, come get your plates. Yay, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, this food was so good, wasn't it guys?
Oh, of course. Your puppies are so cute.
Thank you very much. I've been cooking since last night too.
Oh, you're welcome.
Well, thanks for inviting us to your party. Well, I'm getting really tired, so I'm just gonna go home. Thank you. Well, girl, thank you for inviting me. This was a lot of fun. Thank you for coming.
Oh, thank you for inviting me.
Thanks for coming.
Oh, you're welcome.
Bye, girls. See you
Bye.
later.
Thanks, girl. Thank you for inviting us.
Well, thanks for coming. We should do this again sometimes.
Oh, you're welcome.
Bye, girl.
Bye.
See you later. Now it's time to clean up. Well, this will be a lot of fun.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you like watching this. Bye, Crafty Tae.